Hanap mo ba ay affordable beachfront hotel in Bohol? Well, this video is for you. We book sa Marine Resort Tumaluan Beach. Actually, yung standard room nila is worth 2,500 lang mga benshi ha. Grabe, napakamura. 2,500 per night for 2 packs yun. At may free buffet breakfast na. Sulit, diba? Tapos perfect talaga siya for couples and for families na gusto mag-travel. Pero at the same time, maganda yung resort. Inside the room, meron silang aircon, comfy bed, private CR, super linis na cozy talaga sila. And pwede pa hanggang 4 guests with extra mattress. So, pwede siya worth 800 pesos lang naman. And outside sa room, grabe, may private beach, swimming pool, restaurant, bar and lunch, massage, water sports, go-karting, and even tour packages. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. Second book na namin dito. Actually, second time na nabook ito. Super ganda talaga. White beach talaga. So if you're planning your next Bohol trip, add this to your list. Marilu Resort sa Panglao. Ito yung official Facebook page nila. Kasi maraming mga FB page na gumagaya sa kanila. So dito kami nag-book. Book na kayo.